Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to One Me School. In this video I'm gonna show you how to run a simple HTML code. So alright, I'm gonna my notepad. So okay, I'm right now in my notepad. Okay, so I'm gonna paste here my code, so you can see that that's a simple HTML code. I'm gonna show you making it bold, and yep, you can see here like this one. This is an sample login from, so that I'm gonna type here 1 minute login from. I'm gonna type here one minute school login from, and yep, this one just. So we should type on the file button, and yep, click on the save as and type here login dot html. Don't forget to write html and click on the save button. Yeah, okay, now open your file manager, and you can see here. Right, I'm gonna open my file manager, and you can see here login. Just click on that, and you're done. You can see that it's open a new Windows with HTML preview. So that's the videos for today. If you like my videos, do a thumbs up, and yeah, wait for the next video.